Imagine learning a new software to edit our videos, so we could save a lot of time and we could be more professional. Of course, there are a lot of things in this software to learn, including AI, on how to edit our videos, how to bring avatars, how to change voices, and how to do motion tracking. All those advanced things are now available in CapCut. In CapCut, we will learn to edit our videos professionally, to save time, and to make and produce higher quality videos. Now, CapCut is totally free. There's nothing to worry about. So we can learn this software together because it's totally free and you can have a multi-applications across the devices. You're starting with your smartphone to your desktop. So what are you waiting for? Let's learn this great software today.